Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to hang a full-length mirror on this bathroom wall, but it's more than just a mirror. It's got a cabinet behind it that's tucked into the wall, and the mirror itself is mounted on drawer slides so you can open and close it by sliding it. First thing we're going to do is cut a hole in the wall, and then we'll go through some step-by-step instructions. So let's get started. Before cutting out a big hole, check for pipes or wires in the wall cavity by cutting a small slot and using your phone to take photos. Once you've found a clear spot, cut out a hole large enough to determine the exact stud locations. Draw the opening using a level and framing square and then cut on the line. Cut the cabinet parts from a pre-edged melamine shelf, leaving the finished edge for shelving. Assemble the cabinet using wood screws. Drill holes for the shelf supports using a shop-made drilling jig. Use a stop block on the bit to make sure you don't drill through the cabinet's sides. Then nail on the cabinet's back. Glue and nail on the trim to cover the cabinet's edges as well as any gaps between the cabinet and the wall opening. Cut the frame parts to length, then make half-lap joints at their ends using your table saw with a dado set. Add a slight chamfer to the whole inner edge of the frame's top and bottom pieces and to the shoulders of the half-laps on the frame's sides. Glue the half-lap joints and then clamp them until the glue dries. Create a recess for the mirror in the back of the frame using a rabbiting bit in your router. Start with a climb cut to avoid router tear out. Separate the two components of each drawer slide. Fasten the wider ones to the frame, placing them so they won't interfere with the cabinet's trim boards. Install blocking inside the wall to provide firm backing for attaching the drawer slides. Set the cabinet in the opening, plumb and level, and fasten it by driving 3-inch wood screws through the sides into the studs. Fasten the top drawer slide to its blocking above the cabinet, with the other slide assembled at the bottom of the frame. Slide the frame onto the top drawer slide. Plumb the frame and then fasten the bottom slide component to the wall. I applied this adhesive-backed safety film to keep glass shards from crashing to the floor should the mirror ever break. Just peel the backing and press the film onto the back of the mirror. Apply a bead of silicone in the frame's rabbet and then carefully set the mirror in the silicone, allowing the silicone to set for a day before hanging the mirror on the wall. All right, so we've got our cabinet and mirror all installed. Slides open super easily. You've got lots of room in here with adjustable shelves and doesn't take up any more space in your bathroom than just the mirror on the wall would. Slide it back shut and nobody will even know it's there. For more bathroom storage projects, visit us at familyhandyman.com.